Aje. What's up? The house makes sense. I had there. That is if I'm mommy. Yo, Queen say, watch my dinner costume. Yeah, the family day, yeah. Yo, Rita Tete, what's up? Yeah, everybody day, yeah. Recording they go on. The baddest DJ in Worcester, you heard? Yeah. Hey, invite Bisake they give me. They make a vest this morning. Oh. Yo, Mubarak Tete, yeah, you man. Oh, Bisake they can Worcester can do yawa. Fucking artist ever. Strong man, I see you. And this is the brand new DNA shit shirt. I will not go sell this shit. Yo. Yo, but that's not I see you. Charlie mute money and marry a bull no machine. Hey, my people, I greet you. It be me, your boy, Darlington Adams, the entertainer. I no go fit. And also on them every day. This be the news that they give you people. We get the video and everything. Bisake, he come America here can't do yawa. You understand me? Well, your jacket is over there by the car. He come America here can't do yawa. You understand me? He get show for America here, Worcester. You know, be arena, then go rent, give them. Then go rent some club, be where they take small people. Some club be where they Worcester, they call them Numesco, the baddest club in Worcester. You understand me? Where they take small people. Where they can't put Bisake for there. You know how many people they come the show? 100 people. Where they come the show. Where Bisake they make it come perform. See. Hey. You Bisake, I won't talk to you. You, your eye look me where they close. You know they see. Where you wear space, come stay top. You they can't disrespect with the America people. You Bisake, who Bisake? You Ghana self, they know they respect you. You Bisake, who Ghana, who they respect, who they go your show for Ghana. Bisake, you die. The people where them bring you for here, say me, I don't know why they bring you for here. Where you then bring you for Worcester can perform. See some Kwasi Assembly where you can do any match here, you know they see well. Where you come the day they talk to say, you Bisake me I get money. Hey, Bisake unfi, uba anyone who life and crofo live. The omu ba hotel no mono, ni places no, who life omu live. You was kaska in our. You go come America State to come perform, you can't do baller show where they tell the people for state say you get money. Your video, I record your video. Your show, nobody can. Baller show. You Bisake, you unfi, your eye look at me. It be the girl that give you a chop, it be Worcester Bello. Everybody they chop for you free that they give you. Worcester Bello. You know the few perform safe. You flop the show. Your show be poto. I record you all. Like what me I want can't do for the stage. My people wait and zook me way. Me I want make a search you for stage safe. The yawa what you can do. Baller performance say Bisake. You make shotgun bullet. Hey, you make you know come here. Hey, first time you come Worcester, you flop. Bisake who flop you poto. Where them bring you second one. We figure say you go get sense, can do some better performance. You can't do stage. Ututu papa so your lyrics day here, your song day here. where they tell the DJ say the DJ mess up your this thing. Make I tell you, Bisakede, make I put some sense for your head inside. You make a ball rough. Bisakede, I won't put some head for your head inside. As a musician, where you know say they go countries, they go, they play show, the things for them. You know get right. Sometimes you know be all the time you go get your DJ take and go. So you must for master your craft. In case another DJ fuck you up, you know how you go entertain the crowd. You understand me? So as you come booster where you they perform, where you say the DJ they fuck you up, fine. As the DJ they fuck you up, you know, come you be it's your album launch where you they launch them, where people can pay $30. People can pay $30, come they can watch you. Your CD only 2 people then buy them. You understand me? Your CD we can pay, can they can support you as a Ghanaian artist. Your CD, you see how many people then buy them? Only 2 people. Out of the 100 people where they come, the show say the place be small, they take like 150 or 200 people. You know if you full up the place. Where only 2 people then buy your this thing, can't perform, you they stay, they tell Ghanaians say, you get money. Where Jimmy Anna, you how much money you get? The show you can plan out then give you $3,000. It be $3,000 then pay you. Where you can't disrespect you. Where Jimmy Anna? Who are Ghana who nanti no flex ben and who? What I did watch Stevie Wonder Dark and I who nam sumu and I get money. Fucking baller show. Where you put for there? Fucking baller show where you put for there. Or you can not see the life where they live. People where they can't pick you, ask that there don't be nobody for Worcester. And take you, bring you for beer bar. Can't perform for beer bar. You can't there they do too no. You fool? Who? You can't they give you shashi the chop. They can't disrespect we the America. You finish safe. I swear to God, that shit where you can't perform, don't fucking come. Your show, nobody come. If you be bad and take it go, nobody come your show. Bisakede, no, you know, go perform, give old people. You see young boys, stop they go young boys, them a party, go they perform. Go perform, give in Kokra, old people. That be where they like. Border. You see your song, it be cause you send it for drunkard people them a song. That why them bring you for beer bar can perform, where you can flop. Bisakede wa flop it poto na ujina stage na ukakwa sesem say. And you get money. You get money. Jimmy for Sky now, how much money you get? How much money you Bisakede you get? How much money who Bisakede where you dey state or can perform here? Now what now say for kwasi assembly American way we perform show bi am pe okrapo wa say bi tina Ghana ho ne boss am conversation for nyum no na ya Jimmy Sam no wo aba obi ya ma America for baller goose na oni omo say sa ka say uye bibi Jimmy for you Bisakede you make a boy me I don't know what I go tell you self. I go put all the video for there. Say make I respect the artist. If the artist they respect himself, he can't do baller show for year. Make I respect that. If you can say the show we go be free. Make I respect the artist. If you can say the show we go be free. If you go pay, you know how much $30 be? You go pay $30 to go watch this Bisakede. Then he come straight up. You know if you do anything, then they talk say I get money. You say you get money. How much money you get? You don't get shit. The time Bisakede they give me, I get money before Bisakede. You don't get shit. You come here, be Togo Shade City from Ghana can stay top. I go take the video show you. Now me where money you get? What Bisakede get? What Bisakede get? You know how much you then give him? 3,000. That 3,000 be chicken change for a year. How much you then pay him? Go ask how much you then pay him. We go give him that 3,000 times 2, 6,000. So we go give him. I say you get money. How much you then pay him? 3,000 then pay him. For that show you go do. Or if you guys say, well, Jimmy, you there Ghana go come Ghana can lie. You people say I can't pay. No artists they come here they collect 10,000 for a year. No artists them collect crap. The highest they go be like 5,000. I go put the video for my wall make people see. I record that video. I go put for my wall you go see. See ya. Who can say then? You there here, you talk say you get money. But Bisakede no get shit. He come here be pay less shoe. He wear take him stage. You know how much they sell pay less shoe for America here? Abua. You know the way Jimmy say, you wake up now the way Jimmy Obiara now he come say he get money. Where money he get? Bisakede, I know say you dey Worcester. You dey Worcester, yeah. Me, I know say he move safe or he still dey Worcester. He go or he still dey Worcester. He dey. Okay, I know say they go watch my the Worcester people go watch the video take show up. Yeah, me too. I dey Worcester. You get something, can't talk. So you did the way we people can pay. People can pay say they can't watch you. Then you can't dey state top, they disrespect people for stage. You tell people say you get money past them where you leave the stage. Abua the actual house be na obey no. See some food say you talk pa, but remember nobody's know tomorrow. Nobody know tomorrow. So what? Tomorrow be now. You chop your 20 something, they think of tomorrow. You decrease. You be 5 years old. You say tomorrow. Tomorrow be now. There's no nothing called tomorrow. Live today. Tell say nobody knows tomorrow. If you artist can you take your money go pay that artist we can do kwasi asema. You go can't dey here they tell you say nobody know tomorrow. What be tomorrow? We will not live by tomorrow. I don't know say I go feel see tomorrow, so I dey live my life now. Any money where I get, I go chop all today. Tomorrow if I get some, I go chop. I don't get some, I go leave. That's why they dey suffer. Wait Jimmy, uncle progressive life will say tomorrow. Bisakere, you too, you be artist. You be artist where people go bring you for America. Can't perform. Not even 2 songs, you know if you do. You see, that's why only 2 people buy your album. Nobody they want that album. You dey there, then pay you money. You know how much be the gate fee? $30. Convert $30 to Ghana money inside. You know how much it be? $30. So we pay Bisakede for a year. He can't dey state talk. Where he tell the fans say, me I get money. Where he leave the state top go. Tell me say Bisakede was car. No fee. Oba I know if I did to know. The hotel them put time figure say be 5-star hotel. It be a shower from Kwan where they take go give away chop. Belo. You know the people that run this place? You know the people that run Worcester? If you guys say what? We will not go feel dead and some fucking artists go from Ghana come flex with for America here. You know rich. We will not come your show. Nobody go come your show. Who have that fucking show? The Colgrave family, that shit. Jehovah Dems. Then they hype that fucking show. You know why they come? It's because of the Colgrave family, the DJ, the baddest DJ where they top, then the MC, which is the Jehovah shit. That's why people show love. Oh. Like it be Bisakede alone, nobody go come Bisakede show. It be old people must forgo they play that our life for. I see ya. They go artist I say Bisakede. You were we. You know they want you for America yourself again. Your CD be only 2 people buy them. You bought. You can't say how many people buy your CD. Where 2 people show you the CD where you bought. If you buy force, you could buy your CD. If you buy force, Bisakede be by force, you could buy your CD. You can't do baller show for a year. Only 2 people buy your CD. If you buy force, cause see Jimmy for. Then you did that they talk say this. You see cause see Jimmy. Bisakede you two get that. Go sing give old people. Those people then they how do they call that home self? Group home. Go to sing give those people. In Kokrano, anybody will go bring Bisakede come America. Make them take and go group home. Where the old people they make it go sing give them. That be where Bisakede they need the group home. Go sing give that group home people. Brother, man, energy fucking. Kotu man Nkokra for Mother's Day. That group home they run they know the free war. Or my junior plug back waiting no. Go sing give that people. America we day here before you come. We will day America before you come. You don't go feel show you anything. You Jimmy artist, baller artist like you from Ghana. You can't flex we for here. You like yourself say maybe the people where then they work plus you way they do that thing. Like it be we. You lucky say they don't put it for the Colgrave family inside. You don't go do that because you can't do for stage. I go take your video, give the bloggers. 100 people then come. That place. Me self, I do party, I go full up that place. Darlington Nation/Kogo, we go full up that place. Bam. And DJ Wise way disrespect and birthday self, he full up that place. Are they lie? The DJ Wise where you dey disrespect that DJ you Kwasia Bisake de Wuntanta when you look me. God know your life. That boy make your eye look me like that. That boy the West Pest. God know you. You be fucking arrogant and things. That boy God make your eye look me. You Bisake de when him achia. You look me, look London. Abua, you dey go chop toto unless you then put torchlight before you go see. Nya gbe mi wa. You dey come America. Hey, me a vessel. I know say you dey Worcester, you no move. Me too, I no move. I go move tomorrow. Your people go watch, they go tell you. Baller artist. Anywhere you go, it be baller they go do. I look me, look London. You fucking short. We there here where you come. Bisake, we do you. Where we entertain you. They sing give old Gallywood or Ghana wood. Kume wood where they sing give them for movie inside. Azonto Ghost. They sing give Kume wood. God bless you small. You come America, you won't come be respect. You see everybody for the show say you know the respect. You then Worcester show, you finish. You then Worcester for a year. You finish. I see how you did that way. You did your face like this thing. If you find past me, my eye no be a look me. My eye be straight. I don't need torchlight to see Toto. I dey see clear. That's why I go tell you. I dey look like I look me. I dey look. If I find past Shatawale, no be me. Me my family, I look me no day inside. Short people no day inside. All the short people I know them be fine. Go watch Jehovah. Go see. Go watch DJ Double say toss more. Go watch Fusha. Oh, Fusha to talk. Who I go call? We short man, no, only Jehovah. You did there, you dey talk. Kwa bull ko uni ewi. Kwa. Bisake de, you finish. Perform man kokra. Ghana self, you know the feel rock show. For Ghana self, you know the feel rock show. Hey, Bisake de pan you be serious at this. When be the last time where you see say Bisake de perform for somewhere? People they listen to Bisake de. You know any Bisake? You be DJ. You know any Bisake de song you dey play?
But that money can't launch some price. You know perform one song for inside. If the old song we perform from here, means the album will be.
The album self you can't perform here. You know perform even the album where you launch. This make I tell you why Bisake de ball. Only 2 people buy the CD. He bring 500 CDs. Where the place only 100 people where them count. You understand me? Out of the 100 people, where only 2 people buy the CD, where Bisake de ball. You know the fee perform. It dey to 2 purpose where they disrespect the people. Where they stay tell we, hey Bisake de, you watch we when I face tell we say you get money. Bisake de, you watch we when I face tell we say you get money. You lucky say this no be me my city. This be Worcester, me I come. If you be my city like me, the state top, me I go can't come out you. Wallahi, I go grab you, you make shot like bullet. I go grab you, throw you away. It be me my city, you can't fuck up like that. Me I come, it be so. Go learn from Stone Boy dance. See how Stone, see this kiddie then Eugene boys where they come yesterday said they know how they rock stage. Bisake de, you can't do baller performance. You ball. People don't come your show. You know they me catch on kokra no mburwano do mo kotinye adwuma no ewu no omo need taste ko perform mo. Na ye young boys no e wu ni Worcester show ewie. That's why I want to tell you. Me I know say your people go watch me. They go take the video show you. You dey Worcester here, yeah. The Koge family. Your video, your show way flop, we go send give everybody. Yawa artist say Bisake de. Kwa shiabulu. From Lewe self better pass you. Ghana Lewe self know how to the rock stage pass you. You know, see, Manche, okay, you know if you perform, that banger will get with Pato Rank, you know if you perform, see, you know perform self, if you come the show, you go ball. I swear, Chris Ato them so, that Chris Ato, them what they perform pass them. See, you know if you perform, you come the show, you go ball, my brother. You know be say, see, then give that nigga mic, you know if you perform nothing. All you talk for stage, you get money, make the people go enjoy. Where you come up for the stage top. Nkechi say you have to blame the promoter. The promoter didn't do shit. The promoter promote the show. The promoter bring you on stage, can't perform, you flop the show. He say we need to blame promoter. What did promoter did? Promoter didn't do shit. People sleep. See, Mr. Kede, when be your last time you wake up say you know some artist they call him Mr. Kede. We dey listen to YouTube. We never think of him to go set for him. I don't remember the last time where I listened to his song set. The only song where me I know be brother, me that one be drunkard people them a song. Promoters no do shit. You artists you dey go perform. You know can do mic check. Mic check self. You know can do. Promoters didn't do anything shit. Mic check self. You know can do. Yo, Skilo, my brother, I see you. I sure say you do the show top. You don't understand me? You they can't do show. You must go do mic check mic and everything. Mic check, can't do rehearsals, can't do anything. All of a sudden, the show day, this stupid midget clown for stage top, he start to flop. Why? Because he enter, you see only 100 people for the thing inside, he bought. He say, how many people buying CDs? Where only 2 people. Out of the 500 CDs where he bring, only 2 people where them buy the CD. Where he bought. Where this guy started to talk shit for stage top. You give the DJs the song where you want perform. Where the DJ play give you. You know the fee. I don't know if the other guy is drunk or something. You know the fee perform the thing. Then they put the blame on the DJ. You don't understand me? You didn't do mic check. You didn't do anything. Where you can't do Kwasi Asem. You don't understand me? You know they do Kwasi Asem. As an artist, professional artist, where they can't do something, you need to go for mic check, do everything before you come on stage. You don't do mic check, you don't do anything. You just come take the thing, give DJ. Say, make that this is the song you want perform. What you want make the DJ do? He go play the song, give you, make you do your mimicking or whatever. Do your thing. That one self, you know if you do them. You understand me? DJ play from the list where you take. My brother Skilo there. He's commenting. Skilo was at the show. The DJ play from the list you gave him. And now you are there disrespecting the DJ. You lock yourself saying, no be me, my DJ way disrespect, DJ Double J, like you go hear your mother. You go there the state of go can't carry you through away. You know we say we go come out you for the club inside. It be we pay, it be one our money. It be we pay, it be one our money. You go come America can't disrespect us. Why? Come on, mimic yourself, you know the fee do. You say that DJ mess up your show. Where me, I get money and this thing. People need to enjoy yourself. Bisakede, only Wister there. Your first show you flop. I go bring the thing. I go bring the video. Your first show you do for Worcester. Some previous years ago you flop. Where they think. Where we think about you, where we bring you. Say can't do the second time so you go feel rock the people. You see, make I tell you something. Double Cam is pour the club inside all. Even Jehovah. Now that be the boy where they rain. But the cold grain people rain past him. Jehovah. He can't grab the mic safe. See what he do. Jehovah can't grab the mic safe. See how he turn the place up. Your first show you flop. Your second show you make American artists. Then can't take the show. Jehovah. He grab the mic. See how they shake the people for there. And now ferry. You go down. You go stand for Walmart. You done some shashi they do video put for Instagram. Bisakede, you go stand for Walmart. The girl you don't do video. Amasan Chenfa Abunkele. Konkolo. You they do video. If you guys say they do something, you say you get money. How many show you Bisakede? You play for Ghana where you can't do America. They tell we pay $30 to come watch you. This Alukumi boy say you get money. Go learn from Stoneboy the Sa there than those people how to perform. DJs go feel fuck you up anytime. See Sa there, he come stage. No matter how DJ go fuck up. See Sa there in intro self, it be sick. Sako there, without no DJ, the freestyle alone he go give you, your head go crack. Go learn. You be a life artist, you need to learn. Somebody say Kumi guitar, lay when the people say better pass you. Somebody say Kumi guitar with me, and I know the counter said and say better pass you. Bisakere, you fuck up big time. I swear God. The thing with me I want to do for this, Kilo go tell you. If my people with the taller me, I won't come the state up, can't pull you, throw you somewhere. What lie? Okay, Henry Banham, I hear you, my brother. Fuck out of here. People pay like $30 to come and watch you, and you understand disrespecting the people, being arrogant and shit. That was see so your career die. You see that kiddie them promise them can't take over your career. You see small Kofi Kinata take her life for your body. You see Kofi Kinata they can't take her life for your body. You be fucking arrogant, fucking midget. My nigga, you know make nothing yet, or you don't get anything. Bisakede, go learn. We know you to sing. You understand me? Oh yeah, you go stand Walmart. Queen Mona. You go stand Walmart in the dance. Go on what was it, Instagram? Go on Instagram. Yeah. He's a Walmart dancing with Area Shashi. You understand me? Go. You go see that girl way he dance with no. The show and you know the person you take and go. The last ball man for Worcester take and Jimmy that night. That girl way they dance for. If you can say he killed some animal. Ogbegbe lo akoko fun. Onako nanoko. As go on his Instagram, you see him dancing, standing at Walmart dancing. The video I recorded him. I was at the show, my brother. Skilo, he was at the show. Patapa is even better than him. I tell you, Patapa. See, the show flop. Only 100 people. Only 100 people show up. Birthday party said we turn the place up. We did the way you fucking Bisakede. You go get me Dality Nation. I go promote your show. Fly all the way from Virginia to Worcester. Then you, this stupid guy, can't tell me, say, yeah, I get money. That be why they bore me safe. For you to stand on the stage, you Bisakede. How much money you get? You see why I see these Ghanaian artists, they move forward. You get money. I get doctors for here that they fix I look me. Go out to Ricky Rocks. Take your money, go fix your eye, I look me. If you get money. Who Oscar? Cause yes, we need. Bisakede, say they play show for Ghana. Your album, you go launch album for America here. How much we give you? 3,000. Don't go Ghana, go like people say you can't collect big money. Only 2 people buy your CD. Only 2 people buy your CD. Watch out for my American boys. Watch out for my American artists. We about to take over shit. We about to drop banger upon banger. Shit, watch out. We ain't fucking playing. Yeah. The Kogre family. We already got one there, love shit. My party they go video, watch out, boom. We about to drop Moesha, boom. For the big Duna girl, boom. The midget for America here, Jehovah. You two they can't drop, boom. Now what the fuck again? I look me London. You look me, Bisakede, make no make Dality Nation descend for your top. This chain self go fit pay in show money. This chain self. Bisakede, this gold chain. You know be the locket. The gold chain go fit pay your show money. Bisakede, where Jimmy Anna? I don't go talk again, my people. My watch no come. If I talk again, baby, before the watch go come, I faint. Choke off, I dey hung and I power. I dey wait for my watch. You understand me? So Bisakede, this one go to you. Me then you we dey with style. I know so your people go see, they go take show you. Respect yourself. Don't show off. You don't get any money. Bisakede, who needs KBR? This should be your first and last. Where you go come state talk and tell people say you get money. Bisakede, don't try that. You know be Shatawale, you get money plus through Sakawa and everything. You know get money. We can't say Bisakede they drive for Ghana. We can't they drive. What, Toyota?
No, they get Range Rover. Sure.
You get Range Rover?
I'm sure.
Where yeah? That Range Rover get be 7,000 for auction. You understand me? So that's why I go tell you, Mr. Kede, go learn your craft. The boys they come learn from Sako, they learn from Stoneball, learn from the Shatawale them. Learn how to perform. So because who start where you can, master, you can't disgrace yourself. I don't go lie you. They obey in the head time. The head time crowd me the video ni betu me record here. Once a crowd no confirm ba, for 2 pen at all seed no. 100 people never show no. Who have a flop it. So that must say. You did the way you did. Okay. Hey, somebody said that Range Rover be 1999. Hey, you people go kill people. Hey, you people go kill people. Hey. Okay, somebody say be true. We beat them for straight draw. You see, Mr. Kede, then beat them for straight draw. Because I said, you don't know how to perform. Mr. Kede doesn't know how to perform. Oh, that girl is choppy area commando. Everybody they use Polar Goose. You know be Jehovah I take give him, I they beg you. Only God know where I go get them for. You know be we take give him. Jehovah will shake be agbenem. I was sane ketele bubo cosmos sane. You understand me? The area goose. You artists, you come mingle with the people, the ballers, the Jehovah Dems, the Colgrave family. They run Worcester. Fuck whatever you talk. DJ Double J, the fucking baddest, the stubborn, the bombo clad, toughest and the roughest from Ghana. Ghana Music Awards. Watch out for Ghana Music Awards. We representing live. Somebody say you get Bentil Continental. Oh really? Like what Shatawale get? You understand me? Watch out for Ghana Music Awards happening live in New York. That be 30th June. It's gonna be bad. Oh, hey, Queen Momo say use Toyota Camry. People go kill people. Queen Momo, if you like matter, hey, I dey go off. You people, if I don't go off, people go give me trouble. I swear that guy no be artist. You know, be that guy never go fit be. Hey, I go put the video for there. Oh, the video did this phone top and they use the live video. Okay, my people, thank you. The watch it come. You understand me? Yeah. So Mr. Kede, I know say this video, my Worcester people go share, you go see him. You can't do yawa. So I beg you, if you go Ghana. You understand me? Make you no come here. Make you no go Ghana, go lie to the people say you can't do better show for now. Your Worcester show is totally flop by Darlington Nation. You understand me? Luis Figo are here. I no go talk again. The watch it come at the go chop. Okay, Queen Momo, pull up. Pull up for Go Green. You know Double House. Queen Momo, pull up, can't eat watch it. Watch it camp. So pull up, everybody. We all we day here, we dey chill. Everything is here, yeah. Pull up, and they go back. So challenge where you day. Queen Momo bedi watch it. What I say. Pull up, bedi. Challenge make I open the watch make them see the flavor before. Okay, showboy back. Showboy back. I go pull up. I go put the video for them. The watch the jump only the shit away and yet them. Yo, Julia Tete. And they make you see the watch in face before I go. Hey, watch your salad the one. Watch it be a day. You see the watching, no? You see the watching. And they beg I go eat before I go face. You see the watching. Watch it be a day. When salad day body, only this watch away we go buy you. It be $25. This watch away they there. Mr. Kede will take it money that. Wait, $25. I did an time where I want where a chicken in nyama. Ah, where the egg be? Where the egg be? There's no egg in the watch eye. Master, me a day life. I go open fire give you. I don't go off. J eggs, you know the wall on.
Is inside this one got egg?
That's chicken. Are you blind now, or you need to be Sakede's eyes?
This one get egg.
Okay, give me the egg for here. Master, no be greedy. Be watching what they want. Get out. We put the thoughts and be greedy. We greedy. Yeah, be Sakede. I dey beg you. Mama min ko didi. Yo, Bismarck Frimpong. Watch a beard there. I dey beg you. I dey go. Charlie, give me correct. Mami room in some. Make I wash my hand. I dey beg you people. Show make people get out. Make I wash my hand. You understand me? Yeah, my people. May Allah bless you people. Yeah? Bisakede show you flop. I go put the video for them. Bloggers, mumbe fan for. Yeah, you see the cold green boy. The money spenders for Worcester. You understand me? Yeah. So the people go you off me, yeah? Yo, Kojo Joshua, I see you. Connie D say the watch it there, they lie. Hey, watch it be the America watch it, but Ghana watch it be best. This will be fake watch it. You understand me? Ghana watch it will be the best. I dey beg. Yo, Noel Amoa, may Allah bless you people, yeah? Thank you for supporting Daliti Nation, Daliti movement. You understand me? Asante, Asantua say, nah, $5. Madam, you dey lie. What be $5? You dey crazy? Watch it. You go Anochi Chrome in food be ball. I chop yesterday. I shit and other things. That one say, you know how much we buy? How much we don't move toward than the shit we buy for Anochi Chrome? $13. Okay. That shit Anochi Chrome watch yourself. Amuto where I chop what? I dey go. If I find I go faint. I go there. Charlie, bless one love.